Good morning, Tahmina Khan is here in TK Maths S1. In today's video, I will explain to you a concept of numbers. It sounds very easy and simple. Yes, it is. It is a part of the syllabus of O-level mathematics. And what type of question comes with respect to this topic, we will see in this video. It doesn't cover all the aspects, but yes, few aspects, and I will make more videos later. I have picked up two questions from June 12 and June 4. Variant is written here. So before we begin, you can see on the top my website address and my blog address. My blog address has all the videos I have made so far. So it is organized very well. You can go and check. And tkmaths.com is a website which is offering different help in the learning process of maths. For example, checklist for exam preparation, solution of challenging questions, and you can get help or register yourself for explanation of any topic, course, question. So do visit it, you will find it useful. So let's begin with the question. A list of the number is given to you here, and there are three parts. First part is saying find a prime number. Now to answer this question, you need to understand what is a prime number. Only then you can pick up the right number from here. So prime number are those numbers which can be divided by themselves or by one only, right? So if I see here, which number is a prime here? It is 2. By the way, when we are talking about real numbers, in real number, there are two categories. Let me just tell you here. When we talk about real number, there are two categories, rational and irrational. Now, if you know what is irrational, then you can easily understand rational because everything else is rational. So irrational are basically surds. You know what are surds? Square root numbers which are not perfect. For example, I write 3, I write root 2, I write root 5. But if I write root 9, 9 is a perfect square, then it is not irrational. Or pi. So these are irrational number. The rest is all rational, right? So 2 is the only even number which is a prime number, and it is the smallest prime number as well, right? So it is 2, which is a prime number. Cube number. Cube numbers are those numbers, if you multiply a number by itself 3 times, then you get the answer. So which number is here is such? If you write 1 cube, it is 1. If you write 2 cube, what is 2 cube? Is equals to 8. So that's why we know that the cube number is 8. Because if you multiply, now do not take it as 2 times 3. Sometimes a student make mistake. This simply means 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, so cube number is 8. An irrational number. Now I have already explained you the definition here. So this is your irrational number. In the square root, you have a non-perfect square number, which is the irrational number, right? So root 2. The question here is saying arrange the following numbers in the order of starting with the smallest. Now if you see here, every number is with 10 power something, 10 power 2, 10 power 3, 10 power 5, 10 power 4. But the thing is, the number which is multiplying by it is not in the same format. For example, here if I see there is no unit 10, 100, there is no, I mean, every number is different. It is unit 10, 100, this is in hundreds, this is in tens, this is in tenths, there is no unit even, there is 1 unit. So this is not easy to just pick up the smallest seeing the highest power of 10. So first of all, you have to bring it into same form. So there are two ways. Number one, bring them into ordinary form. So for example, if you multiply this by 10 power 2, it will become 21730. If you multiply this by 1000, 10 power 3 is 1000, it will become 22,600. If you multiply this by 10 power 5, it will become 3100. And similarly, this will become 25,000. Now, if you see these numbers very easily, you can identify that this is the smallest. Then this one will come 21,730, then 22,600, then 25,000. This is one way of doing it, but you know why it is not very convenient way, because you may have power 10, 11 something, and writing so many zeros you may make an error. So what is the other way around? Second way is that you change all of them to the same standard form. For example, 2.173 into 10 power 4. I have changed all of them to standard form. Standard form means before decimal, you should have only one digit, right? So if you see here 2.26, so I'm changing all of them to one decimal place. Okay. If you don't know sorry, not one decimal place, standard form. If you want to, if you do not know how to change it to standard form, I have made a video on it, and I will put a link of it in the description, so you can click and go into the detail of it. So once I have changed all of them into standard form, now it is easy for me to see. You know why? 10 power 4, 10 power 4, 10 power 4. So I'll check their digits here. So 10 power 3 is the smallest, number one thing, because they all have just one digit before the decimal. So this is the smallest. I have to identify between these three. So before decimal, it is 2, 2, 2. Okay. So it is gone. Let's check the next first digit, first decimal place. 1, 2, 5. So 1 is the smallest, then 2. So this is second, this is third, this is fourth. So this is the way you can easily figure it out. And then you can write in the form given to you in the question. For example, this is actually representing this one. So I'm writing it first. This was the second highest, right, from the smallest side. So this is from here I'm getting. I have written here in the form given to me in the exam, in the question. Then this third is from here. So I'm writing it here. So exactly the form which were given to me here, I have written them in the order here, after finding out which is the smallest, and then bigger than that, and then bigger than that. So then you can write it down here. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, learn something from it, press like and subscribe button. Do share it with your friends. Take care. Allah Hafiz.